Cinnamon, a common spice found in kitchens around the world, is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's gaining recognition for its potential role in weight management. While not a magic solution, studies suggest that cinnamon may aid in weight loss when combined with a healthy lifestyle. In this video, we'll delve into the science behind cinnamon's weight loss properties and provide practical tips for incorporating it into your diet. Cinnamon's benefits go beyond just adding a warm, comforting flavor to dishes. It appears to work together with other healthy habits to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Let's explore the evidence and learn how to maximize cinnamon's potential. Numerous studies have explored the link between cinnamon consumption and weight loss, revealing promising results. Research indicates that cinnamon may influence several bodily processes related to weight management, such as metabolism, blood sugar regulation, and appetite control. These studies provide a scientific basis for understanding how this spice might contribute to a healthier weight. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that cinnamon improved insulin sensitivity in people with prediabetes. This is significant because insulin resistance is linked to weight gain, particularly in the abdominal area. By improving insulin sensitivity, cinnamon may help prevent this type of weight gain. While cinnamon offers potential weight loss benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Studies suggest that a daily intake of about 1.5 grams, roughly equivalent to half a teaspoon, is ideal for reaping its benefits without any adverse effects. Exceeding this dosage may lead to potential health risks. It's important to note that individual responses to cinnamon can vary. Starting with a smaller dose and gradually increasing it is a prudent approach. This allows your body to adjust and minimizes the risk of any potential side effects. Always consult your doctor or nutritionist before adding cinnamon supplements to your diet. Cinnamon is believed to have thermogenic properties, which means it can slightly increase body temperature and, in turn, boost metabolism. This metabolic boost may lead to a modest increase in calorie expenditure, contributing to weight loss efforts. However, it's crucial to remember that this effect alone is not a quick fix for weight loss. Research suggests that cinnamon's active compound, cinnamaldehyde, plays a role in activating thermogenesis. Cinnamaldehyde is believed to stimulate brown adipose tissue, a type of fat that burns calories to generate heat. By activating brown fat, cinnamon may contribute to increased energy expenditure and potentially aid in weight management. Section 5. Blood sugar control and appetite regulation. Cinnamon has shown positive effects on blood sugar levels, a crucial factor in weight management. By improving insulin sensitivity, cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar spikes after meals, preventing rapid rises and falls that can lead to cravings and overeating. This balanced blood sugar control can contribute to a more stable appetite and reduced calorie intake. Additionally, cinnamon's warm, satisfying flavor can promote a feeling of fullness and satisfaction after meals. This can help reduce cravings and prevent overeating, further supporting weight loss efforts. By incorporating cinnamon into your diet, you can potentially manage your appetite more effectively and make healthier food choices. Section 6. Incorporating cinnamon into your diet. Adding cinnamon to your diet is easy and enjoyable. You can sprinkle cinnamon powder on your morning oatmeal or yogurt, add it to your coffee or tea, or use it to lend a warm flavor to savory dishes. Cinnamon also pairs well with fruits like apples and pears, making it a delicious addition to baked goods or smoothies. For a more concentrated dose, consider cinnamon supplements. However, it's crucial to choose high-quality supplements from reputable brands and consult your doctor before adding them to your routine. They can help determine the appropriate dosage and ensure there are no interactions with any medications you may be taking. Section 7. Cinnamon and exercise, a powerful combination. While cinnamon can support weight loss efforts, it is most effective when combined with a holistic approach to health. Regular physical activity, such as brisk walking, jogging, or strength training, plays a vital role in boosting metabolism, burning calories, and building muscle mass. Cinnamon can complement your exercise regimen, enhancing fat burning and aiding in post-workout recovery. Incorporating cinnamon into your post-workout routine, such as adding it to your protein shake or recovery meal, can help replenish glycogen stores and reduce muscle soreness. However, it's essential to prioritize a balanced diet and regular exercise as the foundation of your weight loss journey, with cinnamon acting as a supporting element. Section 8. Choosing the right cinnamon for weight loss. Not all cinnamon is created equal. Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, is often considered superior for its health benefits and subtle flavor. It contains lower levels of coumarin, a compound found in higher amounts in cassia cinnamon, which can be harmful to the liver in large doses. When selecting cinnamon for its potential weight loss benefits, opt for Ceylon cinnamon whenever possible. You can find it in specialized spice shops or online retailers. While it may be slightly more expensive than cassia cinnamon, its potential health advantages make it a worthwhile investment. Section 9. Potential side effects and considerations. While generally safe in moderate amounts, cinnamon can cause side effects in some people, especially when consumed in excess. Common side effects include digestive discomfort, skin irritation, and allergic reactions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women and individuals with liver conditions should consult their doctor before using cinnamon supplements. It's crucial to remember that cinnamon is not a magic bullet for weight loss. It can be a helpful addition to a healthy lifestyle, but should not be considered a replacement for a balanced diet and regular exercise. Always consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes or adding supplements to your routine. Section 10. Conclusion: cinnamon, a supporting spice on your weight loss journey. Cinnamon, with its potential to boost metabolism, regulate blood sugar, and reduce appetite, can be a valuable tool in your weight loss journey. Incorporating this flavorful spice into your diet, along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, can help you achieve your weight management goals more effectively. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a gradual process that requires a holistic approach. Embrace a healthy lifestyle that includes nutritious food choices, regular physical activity, and mindfulness. By making informed choices and adopting sustainable habits, you can pave the way for long-term weight management success.